Critique an Existing Rationale by Charm Nicoli. Strengths. The author does a great job identifying and utilizing appropriate background information. This is seen in the literature included from the World Health Organization and National Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The author also does a great job utilizing social math. The author does this by breaking down the problem and translating the statistics into an interesting and meaningful way that can be easily understood and grasped by the audience. Only problem with this is it must be 100% accurate. The content identifies the health problem from a global perspective, starting with the most macro level. Weaknesses. It would be more powerful to include the economic cost of the problem after identifying the global health problem if possible. Also, in the first paragraph, the author compares social math to the state of Maryland, but is targeting Philadelphia County, Pennsylvania. This social math comparison might be confusing to the audience/decision makers of Pennsylvania. The third paragraph utilizes numbers in billions, which may be difficult for the audience to grasp. The proposed solution to the program is based on the best practices for comprehensive tobacco control programs. There are pros and cons to this. It may be helpful to follow a previously put in place program that has proven success, but holds potential to be confusing to the audience/decision makers if they are unfamiliar with the program details and results. There's some repetitive content in the middle of the rationale. Concise and to the point helps to increase clarity. Data on what can be gained is also lacking. Changes to strengthen the rationale. I would have utilized the epidemiological data from the Pennsylvania Department of Health. I would reorder the statistics seen in the fourth paragraph. The author starts at the highest macro level and works down to cities, but then jumps from county statistics. I think this flow is confusing and hard to follow and would move the data on cities at the end of the macro list. I'd revise the proposed solution to state results of the best practices for comprehensive tobacco control program in order to narrow the purpose and minimize any confusion. I would include more epidemiological data on what can be gained from the program in terms of values and benefits to decision makers. I would focus on gaining the support of the decision makers by emphasizing promotion, maintenance, and restoration of health. I would want to learn more about the organization/decision makers to tailor my rationale to meet appropriate factors such as finances, policies, public image, and politics. I would compare health costs and operating costs for most organizations and state that healthier people are more productive and more capable, reflecting better on the community/county of target. This may include a cost-benefit analysis and/or a return on investment.